Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is near and dear to my heart. And not only is it from one of my favorite wig companies, which is Victoria's Wigs, but this is also my first video showing my new hair color. So I did use box dye to go ahead and achieve this color, and I also used the same box dye on this U-part wig so that it would blend with my new hair color. So let me know in the comments if you guys like my new hair color. I was really happy with the way the dye colored my hair and with the way it colored the wig. I feel like it took to the wig even better than it took to my own hair because it lifted the wig a little bit lighter than my own hair, which I'm fine with. I'm fine with that. You'll see once I install the wig that it blends really nicely, even though they are like slightly a shade apart. So this wig that I'm doing today is a Kinky straight U-part wig. It is from Victoria's Wigs, and this is my first time trying a U-part wig from Victoria's Wigs. And you guys, I was so pleased. I really love the texture of the unit. I love the fullness. The unit is so full. It's 20 inches long, and I just decided to color the top layer of the wig. I did want to have the bottom layer to still be black. So the top layer of the wig is the chocolate brown, and then the under layer of the wig is the natural color that the wig came in. So to install this unit, you guys, it is super duper simple. You literally just use the 3 clips at the top. There's also that same clip in the back. And I also applied bobby pins to the sides where the flaps are on the side, because I just wanted it to be more secure. So I just added bobby pins there, and that's pretty much all you have to do to install this wig. So you can also add heat to the wig, blow dry the wig, and flat iron the wig if you want the wig super straight and less puffy. I think I decided not to do that. I can't remember if I did it or not, but you'll see it in the tutorial once I start styling the wig. And then at the end, I also styled the wig with some braids. So I'm going to come back in a little bit, but yeah, now just go ahead and enjoy the video.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow.
So you guys, this is what the unit is looking like, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I completely love this unit and would absolutely suggest it. I have been wearing this unit non-stop since I colored my hair, and yeah, I'm just obsessed. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you can already tell, like, I have not taken this wig off in like 2 weeks. But yeah, I just love it, and this is the style that I've been wearing it in. I literally didn't want to continue to apply heat to my leave out, and my leave out is natural, so even with like the slightest bit of dampness, it will start to revert back and get puffy, and you can see it. So to just avoid having to apply heat to my leave out, I add 2 braids in the front, and that holds down my leave out. but it also disguises the edge of the U-part wig. So the only leave out that I have to worry about is literally just like the middle part section, which is not a lot of hair. Like I can tame that down with a brush. So I make sure to just incorporate the wig and my leave out when I'm braiding that braid, and then I leave my sideburns out, and then I just use a small rubber band to go ahead and secure it after I braid it down. And you guys, that's as simple as it is. It's nothing complicated with this style, but like I said, it will save your edges from having to apply too much heat to them to continually keep trying to blend them in, especially if you're natural.
I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me. I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow, this one no be private show. Tell me low.
So you guys, the final verdict on this hair, it is 100% Dragon S approved. I absolutely love this unit. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And check the description box so you can get all the deets on this wig if you would like to order. Make sure you share this video and make sure you're subscribed and you're following me on Instagram so you can see all these looks before I post them here on my YouTube. Alright you guys, thank you so much for all the love and for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Big bad man point instrumental.